Okay, please. We can check your homeworks. Huh? Try to check by yourself with honest. Isino kapayo bodhimha oruhanti. I already gave answer yesterday, no? Okay, please. The monkeys of the hermit climb down from the bo tree. Or the hermit's monkeys climb down from the bo tree. Okay. Number 2. Bhupati set his maning passati. Passati sees. Who? Bhupati, the king, see. What? The gem belongs to whom? Millionaire or millionaire of the king sees the gem of the millionaire. Next one. Patayo girisma raving passanti. Passanti meaning see. Who? Masters. What is sun? From where? From the mountain. The masters see the sun from the mountain. Okay. Number 4. Kapi girimha gahapati nang yadhayo haranti. Haranti. Haranti meaning carry. Who? Monkeys. Kapi. The monkeys carry. Yadhayo. Sticks. Sticks belongs to the household. Householders sticks. From where? From the mountain. Girimha. From the mountain. Some are very today new. Two of them today new. Today first time, no? Yeah. Can understand? Yeah, yes. This is not my mistake. Okay, next one. Kavissa ñātayo girina agachanti. Agachanti. Who is coming? Relatives. Yeah, the poet's relatives, the relatives of the poet come from mountain. Come from the mountain. The relatives of the poet come from the mountain. Next one. Bhupati settihi nidhayo ganhati. Ganhati takes. Bhupati, the king. Nidhayo, the hidden treasures. Settihi. From the whole sentence. Number 7. Isayo girisma gahapatimha balayo aharanti. Aharanti. Bring. Isayo. The hermits bring. Balayo. The religion offerings. Actually, what is the religion offerings? Flowers, incense sticks, water, some kind of fruits. Sometimes some people offer some kind of artificial flowers also. All that thing we call religion offerings. Bali. For the puja. No? Here also puja. No? But these are not the Bali. Yeah? These are offered the Buddha. Usually the Bali meaning for Deva. Especially they arrange for the Deva. This is Bali. Okay? They arrange something. They call it Chinese, no? They offer different thing for the Deva, no? Sometimes after passed away your parents, sometimes they are burned, no? Some they make this small car, house. This is Chinese traditional, no? Burn, yeah. This is also Bali. This is also Bali. This is also Bali. Those are things we can say Bali. So all are religion offerings. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, not the hermits bring the religion offerings from the household from the mountain. Check how to English. From the mountain and from the household. Yeah. Who is from bracket? Who is? Where he is living? Okay. Next one. Narapati Senapati no Asi na Arayo Mareti. Mareti meaning kills. Narapati, the king. Arayo, the enemies. Asina, with the sword. Belongs to whom? Of the general. Okay. The king kills the enemies with the sword from the general. Yeah, of the general. General's sword also can. Both can. Difficult, no? Very difficult. No difficult. There's a word by word. Try to translate. Then later you can combine the sentences. Next one. Kavinang Nyatayo, the relatives of the poets. Saratinang, Settinang, Maning, Dadanti. The relatives of the poets give the millionaires gem to the for the charioteer. Okay, give the gems of the millionaire. Okay, Kavi Oksam Dadanti meaning give. Yeah, Kavinang Nyatayo, the relatives of the poets. Money, gems. Money meaning gems, the gems. The gems belongs to the Seti Nang, millionaire. The millionaires gems also can the gems of the millionaire. Yeah, this means gems belongs to the millionaire. Okay, who is receiver? Labati meaning receiver, no? Who is receiver? Charioteers. Saratinang, for the chariot to the charioteers. Yeah, example, I take something for somebody. Huh? No. Something example now. Somebody want to give, okay, Banti, this one I want to send to the Chanda Loka. Oh, Chanda Loka, okay, I can bring for him. Like this. Huh? I can bring something for somebody. Yeah. Understand? I can bring something for somebody. This meaning, huh? Okay. Next one. Kapi bodhisma deepayo passati. Passati meaning? See. Kapi. Deepayo. Leopards, plural. Bodhimha, from the bo tree. This means monkey is in the bo tree. After that he can see in the some leopard. This means the monkey is in the bo tree. Then he can see the leopard. This is the meaning. Not so difficult. We have to practice. Okay, understand? Monkey, English, check. This is not the English sentence, check. It can. There was English sentence, no? Enough to understand. Yeah. This is English, no? This is not the Pali. Okay? Now, translate into Pali. This one cannot. Okay, word by words, huh? Okay. Okay, please recite English first. Okay. The monkeys. Oh, kapiyo, kapayo. Okay, no, word by word. Run. Because no, monkey is plural, no? Dhavanti. Dhavanti. Run meaning dhavanti. From the mountain. Girin. Oh, girina or girimha or girisma, one of the word. With the leopards. Dipi, he, plural. Now check. Kapi, dhavati, girimha. So, no, girimha, dipi, he. Now we have to combine the sentences. Yeah. Kapi, dipihi, sadding or dipihi, saha. Because with we can sadding or saha we can add, no? No. Dipihi also can. With the sadding also can. With the sa also can. Same meaning. This meaning kapi, dipihi. Girimha, dhavanti also can. It's better, the little bit, the very easy to pronounce, very easy to recite. This polite way. Kapi, dipihi sadding or dipihi saha. Girina or girimha or girisma dhavanti. Understand? Kapi, giri, can, but check the pronoun. Kapi, girina, dipi, sadding, dhavanti. Can, but no, the meaning no problem. According to the Pali, the sometime the how to say usually the subject, object, verb. Object, verb. This way, between the subject and object, tatiya first, after that chatutti, chatti, panchami. Like this, chatutti, panchami, chatti. First tatiya. This means between the tatiya first. Or tatiya or karana. Yeah. Tatiya or karana. After that, coming other cases. Yeah, tatiya first. Because according to the way to understand but this usually we are the making the small sentence now. This way we have to follow like this way. But if you are when you are going to read some sutta or some Pali poem, are completely different. Complete different meaning. First we have to read the whole sentence. Then we have to divide word by word. Then we have to recollection. We have to rebuild the according to subject, object, verb. Then to the understand. Because the example now, you think the one Pali poem. Okay, last time I explained. Niding nidheti puriso. Gambhire oda kantike. No? Niding nidheti puriso. This is one sentence. The puriso meaning subject. This is the end of the sentence. Object, beginning of the sentence, niding. Nidheti verb in the middle of the sentence. We have to change. take the meaning, to understand the meaning. Niding nidheti puriso. The man deposit the hidden treasure. Now, example now. Niding nidheti puriso. This is a Pali poem. Puriso, we have to put in front of the subject. After that, object niding. Verb nidheti. Puriso niding nidheti. That's why the user now we are still studying only the sentence to understand the Pali grammar. Then example now, Evang me sutang. Evang me sutang. I have heard thus. I have heard thus. Ekan samayang bhagava. On one occasion, the Lord Buddha. Now the all are together combined. Example, I can give the one sentence from here. I will check. Okay, so the Putta matti dhanang matti iti balo vihanyati. This is one of the Pali poem. Putta matti dhanang matti iti balo vihanyati. The putta matti, this is a joint verb, joint sentence. We have to divide. Putta me atti. Me meaning usually me atti, I have. Me atti means I have. Putta, sons. I have son. Danang matti, danang me atti, I have wealth. Iti balo vihanyati. Because iti meaning because of the this, because of the that, because of the this reason. Someone, oh, I have very good son. I have the good wealth. Because of the that, balo, the foolish man. The balo means the foolish man, vihanyati, he is making a trouble. He's take the troublesome for him. Because only he think, oh, I have son, I have wealth, enough for me. Nothing, no need to do anything. This is policeman idea of the foolish man. Okay, that's why explain. Now the putta matti dhanang matti. Putta meaning subject. Putta. Me atti. Usually the I have sons. I have sons. The sons have for me. This means I have the sons. I have the wealth. Because of that, the foolish men get in trouble. They make the problem for them. That's why like this, after read the sentence, subject, object, verb, not always like this. Sometimes subject, end of the sentence. Object, beginning of the sentence. Sometimes verb, beginning of the sentence. Now yo adinnang adiyati musavadancha bhasati. Yo, whoever. Adinnang adiyati, he takes ungiven thing. Yo adinnang adiyati. This is yo adinnang adiyati. Yo meaning subject, adinnam meaning object, adiyati meaning verb. Adiyati meaning take. Adiyati meaning take. Takes. Yo meaning whoever, whatever. One of the men, one of the person. One of the person takes adinnang, ungiven thing. And musavadancha bhasati. Musavadancha. Ch Cha meaning and. And now they have to want to join the sentence. Musavadancha bhasati. Musavadang. Musavada meaning lie. Bhasati meaning speak. He is speaking lie. Now the yo meaning subject. In the second sentence don't have subject, but we already joined the and. Cha. This meaning yo belongs to the second sentence also. Yo adinnang adiyati musavadancha bhasati. Yo adinnancha adiyati musavadancha bhasati. Musavadancha bhasati. Understand? This way we have to understand. Now still we are taking only the basic grammar to understand. Enough to understand that you must try to know that this is a nouns, this is a verb. This is nouns come which kind of the cases. This is important to understand. Then later step by step we can go. Step by step. Okay? Try. Okay. Number 2. Please recite. The relatives. Or word by word. Meaning Jnati o jnatayo. Jnati o jnatayo belongs to leaders. Adipati nang. Adipati nang. A meaning? A meaning? Don't know? Bhavanti. Bhavanti. Very good. A meaning Bhavanti. Honti also can. Bhavanti also can. Millionaires. Millionaires they have. Seti o setayo. Now please join. Adipati nang jnatayo setayo bhavanti. Setayo honti. Seti honti. Okay? Okay? Number 3. The of the king walks from the the general. Senapati, one singular, no? Of the king. Of the king meaning Nara. Of the king one, no? One king. Narapatis, Bhupatis. Yeah. Oh no. Narapatino, Narapatis, Bhupatino, Bhupatis. Only one king, no? Walks. Charati. Another verb, ahindati. Remember? One write down. Ahindati. ahindati ahindanti. Okay. Now okay. Bhupatisya senapati girina or girimha girisma charati or ahindati. Huh? Yeah. Narapatino, Narapatissa, Bhopatino, Bhopatissa. One of the word. One enough. Narapatino, Senapati. Narapatissa, Senapati. Okay? Difficult to catch, no? Difficult. Huh? Why? King. We can say the king's okay, can. Both they can. The king's general also can. The general of the king also can. Okay? Okay? Next one. The householders eat the food of the leader. The householders. Gahapati or Gahapatayo. Eat. Bunjanti. Because plural, no? Bunjanti. The food. Aharang. Belongs to whom? Of the leader. Adipatino or Adipatis. Whole sentence. Gahapati Adipatino aharang bunjanti. Gahapati Adipatino aharang bunjanti. Okay, next one. The sun rises from the ocean. The sun. Ravi. Rises meaning? Udeti. From the ocean. Udadina, Udadimha, Udatisma. One of the word. We can say Ravi Udadina Udeti. Ravi Udadimha Udeti. Ravi Udadisma Udeti. Udeti meaning? Right. Okay. Number 6. The hermit gets the rice from the master of the poets. Okay, please divide. The hermit. Easy. Gets. Labhati. The rice. Odanang battang. From the master. Oh, Adipatina, Adipatimha, Adipatisma. Of the poets. Kavinang. Isi kavinang Adipatina Aharang. Oh, sorry, Battang Labhati. Again, Isi Kavinang Adipatina Battang Labhati. Okay? Can? Okay. Huh? Oh, master is a pati, no, not adipati, no, pati. The lead is adipati, no? Okay? Everybody okay? Next one. The monks come from the mountains with the hermits. The monks. Muni o muna yo. Yati o yata yo. Come. Agachanti. From the mountains. Girihi. Giriho, Giribi. With the hermits. With the hermits meaning? Isihi sadhing. Isihi saha. Isihi saddhingo, isihi saha. Now hold together. Muni isihi saddhing girihi agachanti. Okay. Next one. The householder picks the sticks from the trees of the masters. The householder. Gahapati. Now we can say after go to home if you have a husband, Gahapati, please come here. Gahapati, agachatu, agachatu. Agachatu meaning may come, may come. Agachatu. Agachati meaning come, no? Now we have the may come, please come. Agachatu. Agachatu. Agachatu, Gahapati. Gahapati agachatu. 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 Please come the householder. Pigs meaning? Pigs. Ochinati. Gather. Ochinati. The sticks. Yattiyo, yattayo. Are you using yatti? Are you using? Are you know? Yatti? Sticks. Sticks. Walking sticks. Oh. Buddha's time. But we can dabbi. Dabbi meaning all are spoon. All are different kind of spoon because dabbi. 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 Double BI. Dabbi. Dabbi. Another one is katachu. Last time I give katachu. Katachu meaning KATA double CHU. Double CHU. Katachu. This is the same spoon. Yeah. Buddha use only hand. Hatta. Pani. I also don't know how to use joystick. Maybe Buddha know, but he does not use. Buddha know everything. Yeah. Okay. From the trees of the masters. Bodhi, he, of the masters. Pati Nang. All together, Muni Gahapati Patinang Bodhihi Yatti Ochi Nati. Okay. Next one. The general takes the The general meaning, takes meaning the sword, asing of the poet, kavino or kavis, from the hand, panina, panima, panisma, of the master, patino, patis. How combine? Senapati, patino, panina, Ganhati. Senapati, patino, kavissa, asing, Ganhati. Number 10. The relatives, Jnatiyo, Jnatayo, of the master, Patino, Patis, come, Agaccha, Agachanti, from the mountain, Girina, Girim, Girisma. all together. Patino Nyatayo Girina Agachanti. Okay, now one more sentence. Please write down. Very good. First English. The relatives of the lay woman come from the China. Okay, how to translate? Please, better the layman, because I am not at teach the haven't it is the feminine, no? Layman. The layman, the relatives of the layman come from the China. Come from China. How to translate to Pali? The relatives, meaning Nyati or Nyatayo, of the layman. Upasakassa come. Agacchati comes. Come. Agachanti, yeah? Plural. From the China. From China. China Rattamha or China Rattasma. China Rattamha. Okay, I write down. Upasakass. උපාසකස්ස ඥාති චීන රට්ඨම්හා ආගච්ඡanti. Okay. Oh, okay, we have to go our lesson. Okay, I'm going to our next lesson now. Lesson 5. Locative case in, on, at Sattamiya. Okay, what have we learned so far? No need to recite, no, we already practiced, no. I faster, I jump, skip. Cannot receive. Okay, recite. Okay, Sky. Okay, recite. Munayo. Senapati na. Okay, recite. Aggi aggi. Now locative. Now you can understand meaning. The case ending mhi sming is add to the stem to the form the locative case singular. In the plural isu. The meaning in, on, at. Okay, recite. Aggi. Aggimhi aggisming. Aggisu. Muni. Munisu. Isi. Isimhi. Sisming. Isisu. Okay, please write down. Okay, ready? Finish. Next, Gahapati. Gahapatimhi, Gahapatismin, Gahapatisu. Recite. Kapi. Kavi. Need, do you want write down? Now meaning understand, no? Do you know the meaning? Gahapatimi, Gahapatismi mean in, on, at a household. According to English, at meaning to place, no? We cannot put the person, no? Okay. Okay. Okay, next one. Giri. Udadhi. Okay, please write down. Girimhi, Girismin, Girisu, Udadimhi, Udadismin, Udadisu. Okay. Next, recite. Aggi. Muni. Isi. Gahapati. Kapi. Kavi. Giri. Udadi. Okay, to practice, recite. Meaning, if you need, write down, na? Plural, kappa, uh, Kapayo, this is mystic. Kapayo Bodhisu Vasanti. Kapayo. Okay. Okay, next one. Gahapati Girisming Nidhing Tapeti. The householder keeps the hidden treasure in the mountain. Plural Gahapatayo Girisu Nidhayo Tapenti. The householders keep the hidden treasures in the mountain. If you need, write down. Okay. Wait. Okay. Practice again. Meaning? Okay. Next one. meaning there is hidden treasure in the mountain. Need write down? Okay. Okay. Next one. Oh. Sarati bodhismin deeping passati gahapati panesu manayo tapeti. Okay, understand? No? No need write down, no? Need? Okay. Okay, please write down one sentence. Hmm? Bahu, okay, write down. Bahudayaka. Okay, okay. And you write down. Bahudayaka. Bahudayaka. Sihapura ratte. Sihapura ratte. Okay, different sentence. දායකා සීහපුර රට්ටේ පාඅවුක් විහාරේ වසන්ති. වසන්ති. Because I want to stay on okay. The devotees. Dayaka means the devotees. Vasanti. Leaf. Oh, leaf. Sihapura Ratte Pauk Vihare. In the huh? In the Pauk monastery at Singhapura. දායකා සීහපුර රට්ටේ පාඅවුක් විහාරේ වසන්ති. Okay. Sihapura Ratte means Singapore, at Singapore. Sihapura. Sihapura. But Indonesia is Singhapura. Indonesian called Singhapura. Sihapura. Siha meaning lion. Pura meaning city. Lion city. Ratta meaning country. Yeah. Lion city country. But now no any more lion, no? Huh? In the zoo. Oh. No, in the forest. No place for that. In future, no place for the people also, no? Okay, please practice. Translate into Pali. Sattami. The monks live in the mountain. Vasati. Next one. Please recite. Okay. Okay. Now vocative case alapana. Alapana. Ikaranta nouns. Alapana. Being addressed. Addressed. Okay. We can skip, no? This one. Can you skip, no? Now go back soon to home. Okay, this one, decide. Panchami. Okay, now recite. Aggisu. Now vocative. Alapana. Please read. E-I-O. Okay, recite. Gahapati, Gahapatayo. Muni, Muni, Munayo. Won't write down. Declension of vocative masculine ikaranta nouns. Stem Gahapati, Ekavachana, Bahuvachana. Okay. Next. Bhupati, Isi, sometime Bho, V is for the singular. Bhavanto, we add to the plural. Example, This means dear. Bho bhupati, dear king. Bhavanto bhupati, bhavanto bhupatayo, dear kings. Okay, we call like this because nominative and all vocative same. Now we have to see the different way. What is the difference? At that we have to add bho and bhavanto to the vocative case, in the vocative case. Bho khavi, bhavanto khavi, bhavanto khavayo. Okay? No, okay. Okay? Bhavanto. Okay? Now the vocative case alapana is used with verb that is a conjugate differently. Bho khavi, gamang gacchatu. Now we not say the gacchati because to the imperative mood. Panchamiyat, anapaka vidhana. This meaning to command, prayer, advice or wish. Dear poet, please go to the village. Bho khavi gamang gacchatu. Bho bhavanto dayaka, bhavanto dayaka Pali bhasaya panting agachantu. Dayaka, bhavanto dayaka, dear lay people, devotees, Pali bhasaya panting. The Pali bhasa panting. The Pali class, the panting meaning class. The class of the Pali language, to the class of the Pali language, agachantu. May come, please come. Nibaddang agachantu. Every day come. This meaning continuously. Nibaddang meaning the nibaddang. Later can understand. Dear poet, please go to the village. Okay? Next one. Okay, recite. Pachatu, pachantu. Okay, sentence. Bho bhupati giring gacchatu. Dear king, bhavanto bhupatayo giring gacchantu. Okay, write down. This is important, no? mm, to address for others. Okay, next one, please recite bho kavi. Next one, read, practice. Meaning, meaning, next one, meaning, okay, pujeti means offer. Okay, okay, this one, uh, bhavanto senapati bhupating rakhantu. Okay, next one, next one, aharantu. Okay, now finish. Homework coming. Today I want you 2 homeworks, not only one. This is a one. The homeworks for lesson number 5. The 15 March 2015. Okay. Another one. Take your book. New Pali course. Page number 14. Exercise number 5. Exercise number 5. Page number 14. 1-4. Page number 5. They have translate into English and translate into Pali. 15 sentences have. All are 30. 30 sentences. Quite many, yes, but small sentences. You see, Muni Dhammang Bhasati. Leopards kill deer. Okay. Exercise 5 also. Okay, enough. Already everybody got their homeworks? Okay. 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 Now 2 homeworks, 3. No, this is a 4 homeworks, meaning. Very nice. Try to do, try to practice. It is good for you. Okay. May you be, okay. We sharing marriage, sir. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu sadhu sadhu. Sukhi hotu nibbana paccayo hotu. Sukhi hotu nibbana.